In this video, we are going to show you how to create a countdown timer in Elfsight. Now, if you want to add a countdown timer widget to your website using Elfsight, all you need to do is sign in, of course, and go hover your mouse here over widgets, and under e-commerce, like over here, you want to scroll down a bit until you see countdown timer, like so. Click on it, and it's going to bring you to its own page, right? Go back, and here on this button here, create widget for free, click this. And it's going to slide down at the bottom of the page, so you could choose the template you want to use for your website. Make sure that it is, even at baseline on brand. So for example, we're just going to do the generic one, countdown timer. Click here on the continue with this template, like so. And then here you can change the countdown date. You can just pretty much customize everything here. Starts, ends, all day, time zone, repeat. You can add actions. You can change the position. You can actually customize everything, the theme, colors, fonts, etc. And once you're satisfied and done, click on add to website for free and you will be good to go. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.